Okay, and here we're showing the MultiCam CNC Router doing the table mill operation. As you can see, it's producing a super smooth spoil board. Now we're going to take a look at the keypad. It gives us a lot of information. It tells us what's running. It's running at 400 inches a minute using tool number 4, RPM at 16,000. And then the SPA at the bottom right, that's actually the spindle amp draw. We can actually monitor how many amps the spindle is drawing with a particular tool. And that can help a lot with, determining when it's time to replace a tool or sharpen a tool. So it's a really nice thing to have right on our keypad. And again, super smooth finish, there's no ridges, so the spindle's perfectly aligned, ready to go. Okay, and last look here, we're doing 3-inch thick columns. This machine actually has an anchor clearance of 8 inches. That's going to allow you to do a wide variety of things with this machine that you might not be able to do with other models.